soaker spore. Sorry, I was scared.
No, it's all good. Give me a flat of strawberries over there.
Which one?
Strawberries. They kind of doubles salad dressing.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Is there like olive oil in there?
I mean, they got juice, you know.
Oh, you know, we can smoke salmon.
Yeah, you know those cats need all juice stuff. People will come.
Oh my god.
Hey, we're about to go on back on lockdown, bro.
Yeah.
See, even Boss Sags knows it.
Boss Sags. I don't want to do it with this whole thing.
For anyone who steals the camera.
Also, now we got Savage Guard way too much in my outfit. Yeah, that one's like reggae, like tomato based kind of deal. As in like reggae. Oh, I'm thinking maybe we can do. What you got, Kyle? I'm a pineapple guy, but I don't have to have it. Yeah, I don't have to have meat. I got 2 rotisserie chickens.
I mean, if I get 2 pies, would you eat wings?
Whatever.
Yeah, we could freestyle something like that. How does that make you feel?
It's obviously
What?
like white swap. It's like they probably write some of that.
Yeah.
Just tell them you're me.
To get in.
Just tell them you're me. Oh! Yeah.
Fucking got it,
Buckle up, kids.
Would you be a happy brother if I could, I would give you the world, and I'll give you
That was so funny. You know how to get home? Yeah, I was just gonna feel it out.
which one of us is real?